What's up people, welcome back to another video of the Kitchen Diaries. In this video we are going to talk about the best espresso machine you can buy. I did research and chosen the products which are good quality and durable. Just to let you guys know that links for checking the latest price of the products is in the description below. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First one in the list is Mr. Coffee EMP1000 Cafe Espresso System. This espresso maker has everything you could want out of a machine. Besides espresso, you can also make cappuccino or a latte at the touch of a button. There's an adjustable cup tray that lets you change the height based on the size of your cup, and the milk and water reservoirs are removable for easy refill and cleanup. A drip catcher will keep things clean if anything spills over, and the machine comes with a single shot filter, double shot filter, measuring scoop, tamper, and coffee recipes. Most customers who own this are happy with it, and thanks to how easy it is to use, and how delicious the coffee comes out, and they are satisfied with the quality of the product. Second one in the list is Breville BES92OXL Espresso Machine. Yes, this espresso maker has a high price tag, but it's reliable, durable, and produces consistently great coffee. The Breville Dual Boiler Espresso Machine is a coffee maker that harnesses the power of a commercial coffee machine and puts it within a domestic setting. I recommend this machine for the coffee aficionado looking to invest a feature-rich machine that won't break the bank when compared to more expensive pro-user machines. Dual boiler system allow the machine to maintain the optimum temperature for simultaneously brewing espresso coffee 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as for creating steam closer to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which means no waiting around, watching your crema disappear while you wait to steam milk. This espresso machine also has programmable options for softly pre-infusing the coffee, and has a control valve that monitors extraction pressure, two things most home machines don't feature. If espresso is your go-to coffee every day, this is the machine for you. Third one is Ninja Coffee Bar Glass Carafe System. Apart from espresso, if you also like regular coffee with breakfast or decaf with dinner, this machine can do it all, and you can use your own coffee rather than proprietary pods or cups. Not only does this make a variety of coffee types, it also brews coffee in a large variety of sizes, from a cup to a carafe and 4 sizes in between, so you can make just the right amount, whether it's just for you, or whether you're serving company. This machine has the proprietary Auto IQ system for the perfect drink every time, and it has advanced thermal flavor extraction so you won't suffer from weak coffee when you're looking for a rich brew. This espresso machine also has a built-in frother so you can froth hot or cold milk for your fancy brews. This also includes a 22-ounce thermal travel mug so you can take your coffee with you. Fourth one in the list is the original Breville Mocha Express Stovetop Espresso Maker. This machine is made in Italy by a company that has been manufacturing coffee makers for over 80 years. This espresso maker takes less than 5 minutes to produce up to 3 demitasses 2 ounces cups of espresso. It is made from polished aluminum in a classic octagon shape that will look good on your stove or table, while the shape also helps to diffuse heat perfectly. It has a patented safety valve for protection and is easy to disassemble for cleaning. Making espresso is simple, just fill the lower pot with cold water to below the valve, insert the funnel and fill with ground espresso, then screw the upper part onto the base. Then, just heat until the water boils and coffee comes through the center post. When the top pot is full, the coffee is done. This is available in other sizes to fit your caffeine requirements. And the last one in the list is Mr. Coffee Automatic Dual Shot Espresso System. The best thing about this machine is that this lets you make 2 shots at once, so you can make drinks for 2 in half the time, and you can choose a single or double shot portafilter for different serving sizes. The machine has a 15-bar pump system and a frothing arm to make a creamy froth for your cappuccinos and lattes. An indicator light lets you know when the process is complete. The thermal block heating system speeds the heating, while the removable drip tray is easy to keep clean. This includes a tamper so you can make sure the coffee is evenly distributed in the filter for the best results. The water reservoir holds 40 ounces, so you won't have to refill often. That's it for this video. I hope you guys loved the video. Just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe the channel. Bye.